Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by stopping automatic installs so updates no longer apply without your say. Open Settings, go to General, then Software Update. Tap Automatic Updates and switch off Install iOS Updates. While here, make sure you have a current backup in iCloud or to your computer. This protects you if you change your mind later. Once done, you've prevented forced installs, but updates will still appear for manual review. Keep going to Control Downloads and Notifications. Next, remove any updates already downloaded and silence prompts so you aren't nudged into installing. Go to General iPhone Storage, find iOS Update, and Delete Update. Then open Notifications, locate Software Update, and turn off alerts and banners. If you need stricter control, enable Low Power Mode to reduce background downloads or install a configuration profile from a trusted MDM to block updates. Make sure to verify storage cleared and notification settings. Finish by restarting your device to ensure settings take effect. A reboot clears cached processes that may trigger downloads. After reboot, revisit Settings General Software Update to confirm automatic update stays off. If an update reappears or downloads anyway, try resetting network settings. This often removes persistent download triggers. As a last resort, check Profiles and Device Management and remove any configuration profiles that force updates. If problems continue, contact support, but remember your backup before any major changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.